What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Credit cards have become an essential part of our daily lives. Whether it's to buy groceries, pay bills, or make online purchases, credit cards provide a convenient way to make transactions. However, understanding credit cards and their workings can be quite challenging for many individuals. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of credit cards, their definitions, types, and features. What are credit cards? Credit cards are payment cards that enable cardholders to borrow money to purchase goods and services. Unlike debit cards, which use funds that are available in a bank account, credit cards allow cardholders to borrow money from a financial institution to pay for their purchases. Credit cards come with a credit limit, which is the maximum amount a cardholder can borrow. The credit limit is determined by the credit card company and is based on various factors, such as the cardholder's credit history, income, and other financial obligations. Types of credit cards. There are several types of credit cards, each with its own features and benefits. The most common types of credit cards are standard credit cards. These are the most basic credit cards and come with a fixed credit limit. Rewards credit cards. These credit cards offer rewards, such as cashback, points, or miles, for making purchases. These rewards can be redeemed for various goods and services. Balance transfer credit cards. These credit cards allow cardholders to transfer their outstanding balances from one credit card to another, usually at a lower interest rate. Secured credit cards. These credit cards require a security deposit, which serves as collateral for the credit card company. The credit limit is usually equal to the security deposit. Credit card fees. Credit cards come with various fees, which can significantly affect a cardholder's financial well-being. The most common credit card fees are annual fees. Some credit cards charge an annual fee for the privilege of using the card. Interest charges. Credit card companies charge interest on the outstanding balance. The interest rate can vary depending on the cardholder's creditworthiness and the type of credit card. Late payment fees. If a cardholder fails to make the minimum payment on time, the credit card company may charge a late payment fee. Balance transfer fees. Some credit cards charge a fee for transferring balances from one credit card to another. Using credit cards responsibly. Credit cards can be a useful financial tool when used responsibly. However, cardholders should be cautious and avoid falling into debt traps. Here are some tips for using credit cards responsibly. Pay on time. Always make sure to pay at least the minimum payment on time to avoid late payment fees and interest charges. Use credit wisely. Only use credit cards for essential purchases and avoid unnecessary expenses. Monitor your credit limit. Keep track of your credit limit and avoid maxing out your credit card. Pay off balances. Try to pay off your credit card balances in full each month to avoid accumulating debt and interest charges. In conclusion, credit cards are a valuable financial tool that can make everyday transactions more convenient. Understanding credit cards and their workings are crucial for using them responsibly and avoiding debt traps. By following the tips outlined in this video, cardholders can use credit cards wisely and benefit from their many advantages. To fix your credit for free, credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.